Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the TRM Atom here with me for a maintenance video. And we are gonna see if we can improve the action of this little guy. So, which is, not as little as the neutron right over here. Here. And let's see what we can do. So, one difference, of course, you're gonna see that the atom has a keyed-in pivot, not spinning, really good, whereas the neutron has a spinning pivot, and you're gonna need 2 screwdrivers. So for the pivot, it's needed a T10. For the scales, you're just gonna need a T6, like this guy, and like this guy right over here. Very, very tiny screws. Let's see how we are doing. This scale is out. Same construction, 3 standoffs, T6 on the inside, as well as like the neutron. So same construction. Probably we don't even need to remove the back scale, to do just a regular cleanup, like so. 1, 2, and 3. Come on. There you go. And 3, of course, standoffs. 1, 2, and 3. Alrighty. Let's see. Yeah, this guy should pop out like so. Of course, we have the same phosphorus bronze washers. Here we're going to use this alcohol swab to remove the dirt and to clean it up like so. So really nicely, like that. It wasn't really dirty. So that's 1, and that is 2. All right, so let's just give it a little bit of a clean right here and right there, and on this side as well, and a little bit on the stop pin too. Done. And also let's clean up detent ball track, the detent ball hole, and the tang right over here. So beautifully done. And that's it, guys. So we can just go back with this washer right over here. We're gonna do 5-weight nano oil, just some drops and a little bit around the pivot, and then you've got your blade in like so. Let's see if we can do this, and then just another couple drops right over here, and then washer is in. And since we've got this guy open, we're gonna just do a little bit of heavier weight nano oil right there on the detent ball, sorry. And we are gonna do now this operation right over here. So basically we need to align the this guy. All right, so this guy needs to be aligned, so we can do it kind of manually like so, because we will have to do this, and you're gonna see that this pops out if it's not aligned. All right, so it should be fine. Now it's fine. So check that the back side is flush with the scale, and then you will know that that's fine. But then you have to remove the scale. So like so, because we need to we need to insert basically the standoffs. Come on. Wow, that's a pretty snug fit, guys. Just be careful because you don't want to bend the liner, right? So let me see. Wow, this is super snug. Oh, okay. That's a very snug fit. And I guess it's from this pivot right over here. So let's make sure the washer stays there. This is here. Then for this operation, you're just gonna have to put these standoffs roughly in the, like, above the holes right over there. And then just take the liner and insert the screws like so. And then we are gonna make sure that they go inside, and we're gonna start from the last one like that, and just like this, and just like that. So this is in place, everything is aligned, right? Beautiful. So just pinch the whole thing and then just give it an extra. Okay, just make sure you don't over tighten anything, otherwise you're gonna risk to be stripping these screws. So we are basically done. So pretty straightforward, guys. It's not a biggie to take care of this guy. It's very, very simple. You're gonna need a T10 right over here. And of course, we're gonna just do a little bit of blue Loctite around the pivot like so, just to coat the inner thread. And this guy is in like this. Let's see, what do we have? Okay, all right, it's a little bit too tight. Oh yeah, so now I can already feel there's no blade play. Blade is a little bit off center. Okay. So now blade is centered. Yeah, but not the best action. So let's just untighten a little bit. There's no blade play. And yeah, this goes down nicely. All right, look at this. Maybe we can tighten a little bit more. Maybe we can tighten a tiny bit more. Yeah, that's the sweet spot, guys. Maybe we can do a little bit less. Something like that. Let me see the closing action. Yeah, there you have it. Look at this. Spidey flick, pretty smooth. Thumb flick, super smooth. Double hand, yeah. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a smooth knife, nicely tuned up, running on washers. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.